Hi, and welcome back to my GrooveFunnels Fast Start course. As you can see, I made some small changes here. For example, I discovered that I can create round borders if I click this here, and then let's see, I can make this here, decide if I want to make them round or just a little bit round. So I like this a little bit better. Just wanted to let you know. Beside that, I finished the page here. I think the copy, everything is pretty good. I replaced some images, but tried to stick to the template as much as possible, because as part of my course, people will get access to the brand makeover challenge as well, as I'm telling you right now. So I just decided to keep it super simple, leave the images there, not make any changes. And then I replaced this. I did not use my own advice. I stick to the template here, and here's a point missing. So I created the quote from Mike, just in text, and uploaded a picture of him that I'm using everywhere. Added some simple text where I just copy and pasted this here and changed the size. This is a link, and then I just changed this here, and I think it looks really good. Remember, if you want to make any changes, make sure to have everything here. And then if we look here, it seems to look good on mobile as well. So I think that's it. Like, it looks pretty fantastic. Considering I have no idea how to design, and I think if you're just getting started, you should do the same, or really invest the time. If you really want to build a business around GrooveFunnels, invest the time to properly learn how to use GroovePages and all of this stuff. So that's being said, we will have another course about like how to optimize, or like SEO stuff and things like this, but right now it's not that important. So the next really important thing is that we connect an email, because that's the main goal here with this page. As you can see here, if we make this bigger, I've not been very specific, because I really want people to sign up for this, and even the icons and logos and everything does not say that much. I specifically choose a picture that gives you no clue about like what the free Facebook ad software is. That's on purpose as well. And here, you have no idea why this picture is here and this picture. It does not make a lot of sense, but this typically will raise the conversion rates. Next thing, we will jump over to GrooveMail. I think I've saved it. So in GrooveMail, this is where you capture the leads. This will work even better if you stick to the simple design I showed you earlier. And for this, we first need to create an email list. For this, you just basically create a new email list as this suggests. So just ads made free. So description so ads made properly ads made free is good enough. Description, everyone who joined the free training course, ads made free. So I will create a list here, and now I have this list, and then next we just create a form. So that's really important as well. First create the list, then you need to create a form, As you can see here, I've got a couple of leads already, but here we will just create a new form. We call this ads made free main opt-in. We will just save this, and now we can select the form fields. Typically, I like to have the first name first and then the email. Unfortunately, there is not much you can do here, which really sucks, and that's why I will have a different app and no pop-ups and things like this in later on in the course. So this is really how the page looks like. For example, if you remember the GroovePages page I've built, this one here, why I kept, like if I have a look here, let's see why I have this here, because I'm not able to change these fields here, but it does not matter if you really have this simple design as I recommended, but just something to let you know. But I will show you a workaround that's probably even better, because you catch much better emails from people later on. So that's why I have this first name email here, and then we click save and next. Opt-in, we do not have a success page, but here you can just put in, like, for now, just I do not even know properly, like maybe you're that's something we need to take care of next as well, but it's what I ended up with. So findfocus.net/recommends GrooveFunnels, whatever. Like, we have to go back and change this later on, or just choose a simple template. But then welcome email settings. You can send a welcome email. This does not work yet for me, so this is like this is required to have the unsubscribe text, send a company, and something like this. Like, this is something that you need to come up with. Here, free Facebook ads course, preview text, your let's access the free on the free access course. So here you can have some text as well, like come up with something. Hey, here is a reminder where to find the ads made free course. I would recommend this, change this to something that makes sense, and you can use the first name tag if you grab this. So you can have this here, just keep, let's see, make sure that you copy paste just plain text if you're using this, and then you this is the success page, and then we add a URL. As you can see, I will have to go back later on to think about this, but I think it's easier to create everything as you go, so you know where you have lags. So the goal is to get done is better than perfect, and if you created this, it's much easier to see what else you need to do. So I would probably still recommend this. So lists and tags, like you need to subscribe people to a list. This is really important. Like add, you can also add any tag, or you can assign tags, and you can add people to sequences later on. But right now I do not want to do this. There's also something we can get back later on. Like right now it's really just to save this and to have the form code here. And if you just use the HTML code, this is pretty cool. If you use any other app to connect Groove with GrooveMail with in a current website that you have, if you plan to use to take advantage of all the free emails you can send with GrooveMail, and otherwise you can just use the embed script. And for example, this, if you just post this here, save and exit. If you keep this here, then you have an opt-in that you can now put on any page, just like this here. For example, I will just show you. I will just go to Elements and then look here for the code snippet. Let's see. Where is it? GrooveCell, checkout embed, watch code embed, it's called. Let's put another one here, and then we just embed, go to this icon here, put our code here, save, and then we can hit publish or save. Have a look here, and we should see 2 sign up fields. So this is the simplest way to get people onto your email list, if you like. But of course I will not do this, so I will just delete this. But this is the absolute simplest way to get people to your email list. And once they have this, they will get your welcome sequence, and you can send broadcast messages. So let's close this. Just wanted to show you this. And basically what you will need is a success page as well. We will I would recommend to choose one of the templates here to create a simple success page, but this is something I think you will be able to do yourself as well. But I might create another video just around the success page, because there's some technical stuff that I need to consider myself as well, like what the thank you page should look to. And probably I would I have to think this through, but I would put the thank you page, I would probably recommend something from your promo tools, which you can find at Groove Affiliate. And then if you go to GrooveFunnels Lifetime Upgrade, you can find your links and the promo tools, and probably put something like a logout page ads, thank you page ad there. So you can put this as the thank you page for GrooveFunnels, which is pretty cool. That you can put on your thank you page. But as I said, this comes later on in the course.